If you're seeing the error opening file for writing message in Mozilla Firefox on Windows, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error often happens when Firefox is still running in the background, when Windows permissions block the installer, or when an old installation needs to be removed before you can install a fresh copy. So stay with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you should be able to get Firefox installed or updated without that annoying error. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows and browser fix tutorials. First, we'll start with the easiest fix, closing every Firefox process that may still be running. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and processes. Now look through the list carefully for anything named Firefox or Mozilla. You may see more than one entry, and that's completely normal. Right-click each Firefox or Mozilla entry one by one, then choose End Task. This forces Windows to close anything that may be blocking the installer from writing files to your system. Once all Firefox-related processes are closed, try running the installation or update again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If you still see the error, the next step is to run the Firefox installer with administrator privileges. Find the downloaded Firefox setup executable file in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Then right-click the setup file and choose Run as Administrator. When the user account control prompt appears, click Yes to allow it. Running the installer as administrator gives it the permissions it needs to write files into protected folders on Windows. If the problem was caused by a permissions issue, this step should get you past the error opening file for writing message. If that still doesn't work, the best next step is to completely remove the current Firefox installation and then install a fresh copy. To do that, click the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Click Control Panel when it appears. Inside Control Panel, look for Programs and then click Uninstall a program. In the list of installed programs, find Mozilla Firefox, click it once and then click Uninstall at the top. Follow the prompts to remove it from your computer. Once Firefox has been uninstalled, restart your PC if possible. After that, download the latest version of Firefox again from the official website and install it fresh. A clean reinstall often fixes corrupted files or broken update components that can trigger this error. If you're still having trouble, double check that no antivirus or security tool is blocking the installer, and make sure you have enough free disk space on the drive where Windows is installed. But in most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem. End Firefox tasks, run the installer as administrator, or uninstall and reinstall Firefox completely. So to recap, start by opening Task Manager with Ctrl, Shift, and ESC. End every Firefox or Mozilla process, then retry the installation. If that fails, right-click the Firefox setup file and run it as administrator. And if the error continues, go to Control Panel, uninstall Firefox, and install a fresh copy. Those steps should help you fix the error opening file for writing issue. Byte issue in Mozilla Firefox on Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, Windows guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.